trend that began in the beginning of this July. This past week, buyer activity is actually down further, 14.10% from the same period last year. It's Friday, August 6th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in the Maryland real estate market. Homes are still going under contract relatively quickly. For every 100 homes that come to the market, 104 homes go under contract. Here's what's happened since the last week's report. 2,218 are newly active, and this is up from the prior week. 1,362 are coming soon, down about 7%. 895 homes went under contract, fewer than in the past week. 1,683 are temporarily off the market. 1,657 moved to pending, up from last week. 2,323 homes settled last week, which is up 11%. The highest priced home to sell was this Dove Hill Farm Estates in Anne Arundel County's Edgewater. There are a total of 1,001 homes for rent throughout Maryland, and the moratorium on rental evictions ended, and we may start to see rentals coming on the market over the next month or so as landlords begin to take their properties back from non-paying tenants. If you are a tenant and behind on your rent and eviction is imminent, it is imperative that you reach out to the resources available to you for COVID rent relief. Funds are actually available to help you, but you must act quickly. See the links below for more resources. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free Summer Edition Home Buyer or Home Seller Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guide in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Maryland Market Report for Friday, August 6, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You can catch our updates here or on your favorite podcast service. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next Friday.